What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh Wright with Wright's Woodworks, and today we're going over the lens assembly and the laser head of the Hydra 9 by OneLaser. Now, the lens assemblies for these models are different. The desktop model has a different lens assembly than the Hydra Series, and we're going to go over those differences today. We've had a few questions in the official OneLaser group that I help moderate, so we're going to go over those and show the users what the differences are. Let's get started. All right, let's take a closer look here. Bring the laser head over to the center so we can see it. All right, here's the first look. Obviously, the first thing you notice, 2.5-inch lens comes on the Hydra 9. I believe it comes in all the lasers for the Hydra series at this time. You have a plunger nozzle at the bottom for the autofocus. You have an air line in for your air assist, and you also have a wire back here for your autofocus sensor. It's sleek, minimal design, and definitely easy to use. Let me show you how this works. All right, first I need to lower the bed so I can give you guys a closer look and pull the tube out, show you how easy this is to clean your lens. All right. Okay, now that we have ample clearance below the laser head here, it's just one little quick twist of the knob and it's out. Okay, you can see a closer look at the plunger here for your autofocus, your air line, and then there's your lens inside there. Okay, takes a 20mm lens stock, and it's simple as just putting it back in just like this. Boom, and done. Pretty simple. No tools needed. Okay, so now to get to your lens to clean it, it's pretty simple. You're gonna take this off, short turn, pull it out. There's some threads right here. You're gonna twist counterclockwise, pull it out. There's your lens assembly right there. If you look close, there's a threaded insert in there that holds like a retainer clip or retainer threaded insert, or however you want to call it. OneLaser includes this tool to use to get your lens out. You simply just put it in, twist counterclockwise, and it loosens your lens so you can take it out and clean it. Okay, and the same, obviously, the opposite way to tighten it. All right? Then obviously to put it back together, it's just the opposite way. Thread it back on, clockwise, 2.5 out front, slide it into the clip up to the shoulder here. Has a rubber grommet. Put it up to the shoulder and tighten. Good to go. Now the main difference between this head and the ones on the desktop series has a little compartment door that opens up on their laser head. It's more of a rectangle box shape, and their lens is easily put back in and taken out with a magnet, so it always registers the same every single time. This is a little more complex, but obviously a lot more power going through these than those. So the laser head's different. Yeah, ease of use. The desktop series is pretty easy. I mean, you take it out. You don't have to remove the lens from its retainer clip to clean it, but on these you do to get a good thorough clean. And just as a reminder, you want to clean your lens and your mirrors very regularly as part of your routine maintenance that you want to do fairly often, more often than not. You'll know when it's dirty, and you don't want to get to that point because it ruins lenses and ruins mirrors. So make sure your cleaning maintenance schedule or maintenance cleaning schedule is fairly often. One thing I like about this laser head is when you remove it, when you go to clean your lens, you can unthread it, and you don't need to remove any of your air lines or autofocus sensors or anything. In some other models I've used in the past, you need to take out the air line because it's part of the assembly that needs to be removed, and this is fairly simple. You don't need to remove anything. It's free floating. So put your assembly back on and tighten it up, put it in, done. So fairly simple to use, a lot less moving parts, and a lot less headache for sure. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that quick video on the laser head, on the lens assembly of the Hydra 9 by OneLaser. Definitely more content to come regarding the Hydra Series, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate the support. Thanks, guys.